I am King Kong. I am King Kong. Drop the machine. Drop the machine. Drop the machine. Drop the machine.
Oh my God, them killer Kiri.
Ah, good. All that's some popcaan. And a million popskull. It's a lifetime moment. It's a river moment. She was going to feel fish. See you with mama. What is that in your yard, mama?
We take him up. One minute. Easier.
Like he yard.
You don't play already. It's a lifestyle moment.
Take a chance. You don't know now?
Ready about that.
You're lead chef, yeah?
Where your camera go? Watch your video, me a video, yo. Which one we are go? Where your camera go? Watch your video, me a video, yo. Which one we are go?
Right now we're going into the river. It's a river moment.
It's a river moment.
Zoom in on the river.
Bomba! Right in the January, yeah. Right, we have to start off the new year, man.
Alright, good night, my peeps. This is Rowan Beckford, the youth who come on the internet and I talk about be a badness and sitting is a youth. Me dey on me TikTok, me a TikTok youth, a clown thing me deal with. And just through me dey on my life. And me say a girl platform if you see me name Lord God. And just through him and company and I tell me say you want to fuck me look like girl and then thing there. And me tell him say me no deal with them thing there. You know what I talk though? Tell me say upon roadside there video record your thing. Me can give you drive by a tall rifle and a big matic. So me I say me not too scared and fear that and then nothing cause a clothing. Me feel say a toast him a toast. So me I tell him the truth, me people. Me tell him say a me name Bad Indian. You hear that? A tall rifle, big matic pan belly. And we respond for everything in which we not do nothing like that bad man. We just they are not easy. Me a bad boy. I mean Bad Indian man. I mean run the place man. I we decide who fi dead and who fi live man. As pretty as you see me man, I we decide anything there too. Enough thing me not tell you about man. So I don't want some people come play with me thing and feel something a joke thing about man. I want to take a suck your mother batty boy. You know man who you out. Me have rifle with tall and me batty boy. When me spend 3 points too much feet. Me have rifle with tall and me.
Oh man.
With drum belly pan it. Me stop fire clip a drum belly. God kill me for lie me I tell. And that's why I make every police and soldier come and listen every time. Hear that bad man? And we do it for children if you don't want to hear. And we do it. Hear that?
Pull up. Yo. Skatta. Suck your mother, youth. If I never kartel, me go me yard. When me could have me and chronic now out the door for 3 hours. I want me could have warn down the native then.
Rifle will live up like star. We don't call first, now fall. We are get up forward.
Alright, so just walk with me now. Anybody when know me for real, know say. Remember when me clothes never real, yet still, me never stole anything. I'm a band great, kartel a #1. Club hotel, my bank book full of million. Them can't understand. The people that run us, so. I know them afraid to talk. Popcaan, I feel like evil and never.
Oh, I know say it easy for some man make certain utterance and get out of it. And me as an individual, I normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me suck my mother 1,000,000 times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I know my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And I'm now going to take it up on him head. To come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say it will just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter have to keep the peace because I feel them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first night. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Cause
The popcorn is a key and blood. It's chronic lad too. What poppy there? Oh yeah, bombo clap. Them girls are running. Video.
That is all I'm doing, alright? Mommy, you understand? Angle it! Triangle it! That is it. Pick up everybody, 2025, we are here. And we are living, right? But here we're going now. Give me some again, rough cut. Watch us say, I'm on a few minutes. I'm on the bad guy that represent. I'm on the bad guy that represent, right? Look at what they're burning. And if I'm on this, I write your list. I know, right? Watch us like, I tell me now. Some of us are now bad girl. Never let mama think I'm a young man. With my 3-star chicken and hot. This monkey, anything I'm a first girl. Put it up on IG with the hashtag. Right for take a picture and a camera. Sorry for your mother and Snapchat. Funeral day, your mother sing a center. Whatever say, people like the river gun to the wicked, river fight girl to them. You know the fuck killer. You know the fuck killer. What to say? Alright, that's dick in a handbag. With my 3-star chick in a hot dress. Dismantle your ends in my fast car. Put your phone entry with a hashtag. Right to take a picture on a camera. Sorry for your mother on Snapchat. Funeral day, the mother sing a salsa. When I said, meet my by the river, go check it again. Leave my bad girl, put it in the door, the top killer.
You are go fall apart. It's 2025, it's a new year. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Yeah, I'm tired of bench now. I'm ready to go on a big field, you see me? Run up and down. You see me, I be a bencher. So here now, and I link up for your collab. Text me on my DM, you see me, big up on yourself. Love, happy new year, everyone. Yo, say girl, Brittany got for now. Yeah. Sit down and I pray, all them deal with me. Lord Jesus, please, hope you hear me, please. I'm on my knees, I'm begging you for a better life, please. I'm on my knees, yo, I'm on my knees, begging God, please, please help me, help me, help me, help me. On my knees, I'm begging God, please, help me, help me, help me, yeah. I do hear me dip on TikTok. Them just to make me sit back. Yo, I be a bench.
You can't tell me. Yeah, it's hard to be in a follow you. Me wanna follow you. Me not each up on no man all night. Pass for the shot, so my boy can't try. You represent me a man. Breathe like that, so my boy can't try. Only gonna need donation. I'll tell them what, can't try go. And you never go over to me, see them in a 2020, see a bridge. Let me much of them.
Not guilty.
22-year-old James Saltmarsh charged with SA and killed of his 8-month-old daughter, but he hysterically claimed in court that he had never done anything to harm his daughter. On April 20th, James panicked and dialed 911. He fell asleep while holding 8-month-old Janaya to watch a movie. When he woke up, Janaya was not breathing. Emergency personnel immediately took Janaya to the hospital, but she still passed away due to severe injuries. The report given by the doctor shows that Janaya suffered from SA and abuse, skull fracture, rectal injury, consistent with injury caused by foreign body insertion into the anus. Despite James's unanimous claim of innocence, the police still arrested him on charges of murder and SA. Once the incident was reported, James received overwhelming insults and condemnation. However, 2 months later, the event took a turning point. Forensic experts determined that Janaya's deceased was actually a tragic accident, as the rectal tear was actually just a tiny crack caused by constipation. The cause of death was due to James accidentally suffocating Janaya while he was sleeping, which is consistent with James's testimony that he held her too tightly for fear of her falling off the bed, and no brain damage was found, which is completely inconsistent with the doctor's conclusion in the lawsuit. The prosecutor's office ultimately dropped the charges against James, but the harm he suffered could never be undone.
Jamaica need to clean up, but the police them need to do better job and stop kill people, pitney and put gun on them. That's not right. That corrupt, you mess up the man name. And the name more and name for clear, just the name in dead already and can't come back. And even if we don't get no justice, I just want Jamaica people to know that I just gun part more and come off from never name.
The police came into his house in the early morning. Him hear the grill. Him go out there and said to him said to who that the police say them say a police. Him open the door. They never had to kick it in. They never had to force entry. He opened the door he let them in the house. They said that they need to do a search. He turned on the lights, let them inside. He said, alright, them said I'm going to the kitchen first. Them have him get up for going there. Them I say, no, don't go, make the girl go. Him said the girl naked, make she put something around her. She get up for going there. Before she could have even go in the kitchen, them shoot him. She turn around same time, him hold lamp on him side. Them shoot him to kill him. Them have him there bleed out. From where the shot, from the time them drug him body, that was more than half an hour. They had him there bleeding out. She crying, asking him to carry him go hospital, rush him go hospital. They left him there. Them say a clappers that laugh at him when they shot him. They left him for dead. Forensic has not seen his body on the crime scene. His body was dragged away by them. Indicom has not seen his body on the crime scene. They tampered with them own crime scene. Them go on news and talk, well, my criminal, he's no criminal. And she's a hard-working person.